Hi, today I want to demonstrate a different way to analyze the data. A lot of us know about pivot. Some of us know about power pivot. And today I want to introduce what I call a super pivot, which I just finished building it. So here, let me introduce the data. This is the main data set. I have one column called transit. It's the lowest level within the high key transit tree. And then it's a GL is the lowest level as well. And I have the balance type and currency. And I have the data from month 1 to month 12. And also one more column is the data type. To tell you whether it's a budget, actual, or forecast. And I have the high key structures for the transit. Also, I have the high key structures for the GL. And I have the error mapping for the transit to tell who is the owner of the transit. Also, what is the errors those owners belong to. So I will create the power pivot. So today, the main purpose of this report, this demonstration is not show you how to build a power pivot. You can Google for it. It's easy how to set up. But what I want to demonstrate you is this. Here is the highest level of the GL structures, as you see here. If we drill down, we drag this item in, we'll be able to see the next level of the GL, and so on and so forth. But the problem is that every time I drag the item in, it expands. For example, I just put level 2 in, everything expands underneath it. But I just want to see for this one right here. I don't want to see everything. It's getting more confused if I keep drill down more and more items. You see it? This creates the problem. Too much to absorb. And second problem is this. Let's say if I'm looking at, I want to see this one, the next level, level 2. And for this one right here, I want to, instead of look at GL structures, I want to see it transit. So right now I'm looking at the GL already, but I cannot see the transit here with the transit structure. Then I have to grab this item out, and then I have to grab the transit structure in. That's a problem. This creates a problem because you cannot see a different dimension or the same level node items. You have to drag item in and out to see it. And the third one is this. If you look at these items, as I say, this is a bottomed items, the leaf node for every high key structures. These items is spreading across this level. The leaf node can end at level 10 or it can end at level 5. Nobody knows it. The problem is that if the user want to search for a specific transit, they cannot find it. They have to go through the whole 10 level in order to find that specific transit. Power Pivot doesn't help you much on that one. You can write some script to do it, but it's just too hard. So what I want to introduce you today is what I call SuperPivot. The configuration right here, very straightforward, simple to see. Let me just run it. I don't have time to explain the configuration. Pretty much the same with the Power Pivot. So this is the process to configure for the SuperPivot, and here's where I have the SuperPivot. This is just a regular pivot. And let me review what we have for the previous one. If you guys want to go back and watch the video, you can see how it tied together. I want to hide this. I want to remove this one and this one. I will put it actual via budget. And also here is one. So here is easy. I want to drill down in the GL structure the next level. What's it look like? Click here. It expand. Easy. You don't have to drag item in and out. And I can expand the next one. Right off the bat, you see that nothing expand after this, and so on. The second point is that you can switch the dimension. Instead of look at the GL structures, you can look at the transit structures for this one right here. This is a transit structures for this one. we see it. How can this one and this one is in a different dimension? This one is GL, this is transit. Or I can actually go this one. Instead of look at transit, I can look at errors. You see that? That's a different. The third one is this. I can actually go down to the bottom level to see the bottom, the leaf node. What inside here? So I drew that in the transit. So what I'm showing now here, oh, I'm still in the error, sorry. Let me change this one to be the transit structures. So I want to see the bottom level of this one right here in the transit. There you go. This number right here is this number right here, this column A. And we can actually expand the tree. Let's expand this one as the GL tree. We continue with the GL, the transit fiber. We can see the whole structure of the tree after professional. Oh, this one go directly. If I go to the leaf node, oh, I go to the bottom level. Sorry, let me change this to the whole structure. So this is GL. So I want to expand it as the whole structures after professional, not the leaf node only. There you go. This is the whole structure of the GL underneath of professional. So that's one thing. The second thing is this. You can search for items. For example, I want to search for Pacific Transit. I want to search one transit, maybe two. Now, there are two ways that you can search for it. You can search it just displayed by the node. So let me show you how this works. So here is the transit you're searching for, this one and this one. The rest of the items will be inside. These are different transits. So let me display this one real quick for you to see it. So let's go to the bottom level of this others one, which is a list of transit. And those transit is doesn't have the 01155 45, sorry. There you go. This is a list of transit right here. You can stop the video if you want to watch, see it again. It's up to you. Anyways, so you can go to the bottom one, right? Now I want to switch back to the search mode. I want to redo it, not display by node. I want to display in the structures. I want to see where it belongs to and the one is row up, how much it will be. So let me expand this one in the tree structures. It takes a bit of time, sorry, because I have quite a lot of data. So this is the structure of the transit tree. It doesn't explain the whole structure of transit tree. For example, this one, the item down underneath here, it doesn't expand it. It's only expand to show you the trail to get to this transit, this one right here. This Houston, and this one right here. Now, underneath this. So it helps you to see where it belongs. So this Houston belongs to the global wholesale technologies, and it's rolled up to this one and this one and this one. You can see all the number and stuff like that. And if you want to do more, you can actually drill down this one to go back to the expand mode, and then I can go to the next level to see to continue to see the structure if you want to do manually, or you can use the option to expand the whole transit tree underneath that. So that's it for the demonstration. If you have any question or concern about this, let me know, or any suggestions. Please contact me at vit.hh.tm@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I think this will be very useful to help you to analyze the data better and to have better GUI to work with data. And thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.